How to change the default launcher in your Android. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you step by step on that. So without any delay, let's just get started. So what you may do is from your device, you can head over to your settings, open it up. And once you open up your settings, you may just scroll down from the given options, look out for the option called apps, tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding option called choose default apps. You may tap on it. And there you can select up your default launcher. So we have this browser app. So for browser app, you can select like which app you would like as a default browser application. For caller ID and spam app, you can select it up and select that. Similarly for digital assistant application as well. For your home, for your phone app, for your SMS app, and for your opening links, you may select it up. And with an opening links app, you can look out for this section right here, turn it on, or select instant apps. And from there, you can select upgrade web links, and you can manage links and exclude apps that will be shown here and select up your launcher. So this is how you basically set up your launcher for default applications on your Android. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.